Okay, we're going to translate. Translate means move. Okay, translate means move. We're going to translate to standard form. Remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. So my goal is x first, y second. Okay? Both on the left-hand side. So, you need to get the x in front of the y. Always. Get the x in front of the y. Make sure that it starts positive. So this should be starts. Y can be negative. We don't care. We just don't want to start negative. We try to put our best foot forward. Start positive. And there's no fractions. If there's fractions, you need to get rid of it. So x is first. It's positive, no fractions. Okay? 3y equals 4x plus 3. That is not in standard form. I need ax plus by equals c. So I need the x in front of the y. So this is a positive 4x. To get that over to the other side, I'm going to subtract it. Notice how I put it to the left because I want it on the left-hand side. So this is negative 4x plus 3y, because that's a positive 3y, equals 3. I am not in standard form. Look at me. I'm a negative Nellie. I'm starting out mean and unhappy. I can't do that. I need to start out good. So I'm going to times through by a negative 1. When you times through by a negative, what that does is turns this to a positive. So all I'm doing is timesing everything through by a negative 1. So negative 1 times this, negative 1 times that, negative 1 times that. This turns it to positive 4x, yay, plus a negative 3y equals negative 3. Will MCAs have it like plus a negative? Say no. It will be like this. 4x plus 4x minus 3y equals negative 3. I know I'm done because x is before y and x is positive. Okay? Positive. Yay. Negative. Sad. Okay? You need to start out happy. You need to start your day right. Or start your equation or line right. Okay, next one. Y equals negative 2x plus 1. Why would you want to move that to standard form? I would never. Because this is already in slope-intercept. Y-int, slope. And again, your goal is always to graph. But the purpose behind this is for you to be able to move things around any way I want you to, okay? Or the MCAs want you to. So, I want this over there in front of the y. If that's a minus 2, in order to move it, I'm going to add 2x. This turns into 2x plus y. Let me do this with better algebra. Plus 2x plus 2x. 2x plus y equals 1. I'm in beautiful standard form because the x is before the y and I started out positive. I cannot start out negative. Ooh, this one's a good one. Okay, last one and we're going to end it good. Okay, I need it in standard form, ax plus by equals c. With integer coefficients, that means no fractions. Okay, that's what I need. So x needs to go in front of the y. That's a 1/5 x. How do you move positive 1/5? How do you move positive 1/5?
Subtract.
subtract 1/5 x, subtract 1/5 x. Some of you, if you wanted, you could get rid of the fraction right away. It's totally fine. Okay, however you want to deal with it is your choice. Negative 1/5 x minus 4y equals this is a negative 3. Okay, so x is before y. I'm almost there. Times through by, sure, let's times through by negative 1, because we need to start out positive. Negative and negative turn to positive, so 1/5 x minus a negative 4y equals positive 3. When you minus a negative, you're just adding. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm starting out positive. X is before y. Now, do I have integer coefficients? This is where I need to get rid of the fraction. And you could have got rid of the fraction either at first, second, or third. It doesn't matter. The order doesn't matter how you do it as long as you make sure of the three things. X before y, no fractions, start out positive. Those are the three things. So x plus 20y equals 15. Done. X is before y. I started out positive, no fractions. Those are the three checklists. X before y, write it down. X before y, no fractions, and start positive. Those are the three rules of standard form.